Hello guys, today we prepare the tortilla, the potatoes espagnole. For this recipe you need 3 potatoes, 1 onion, 5 eggs, a pinch of salt and pinch of pepper. Now we clean the potato, we cut in 4 and after in small slices. We put in the pan with the oil and we fry them, but the stove should be at medium minimum power between. After we clean the onion, we cut it in very small pieces and we add to the potato and we cook everything together 20 minutes. This is why the stove should be at the medium or low power. After we remove from the stove, we remove all the oil and we can prepare the eggs with the salt and the pepper. We mix everything together and we cook our tortilla, but I'll show you later. After 20-25 minutes, our potato and onion are ready. Now we put with something where they can drain the oil and this pot. During this time, when they become a little bit cold and the oil dry away, we can whisk the eggs with a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. After we put everything together and we cook our tortilla. See you later. Spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch all the other video, to share this video with your friends, to subscribe to Instagram, to subscribe on Facebook, and so on. Bye bye. Now I will open one fresh beer that will be perfect with these tortillas. Bye bye.